Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering and ordering every cash flow. That's critical because the IRR depends on sequence and sign. Enter the initial investment as a negative number, then list projected inflows by period. Once done, make sure all periods match, convert months to years or vice versa. Mismatched timing destroys accuracy. Also include non-recurring events like fees or salvage value as separate entries so the calculator solves the true return, not a rounded estimate. You now input cash flows into the financial calculator. Press CF, enter CF0 for the initial outflow, then CF1, frequency, and so on. Repeated payments use the frequency field. After entries, invoke IRR and, if required, supply a guess like 10%. That helps the algorithm converge faster. Once the calculator returns IRR, cross-check by computing NPV at that rate. A near-zero NPV confirms correctness, so you know the solver found the right route. You finish by interpreting and validating the IRR. If your inputs were monthly, annualize the rate using 1 plus R monthly, 12 minus 1, so comparisons are apples to apples. Then compare the result to your required return or hurdle rate to decide. If the calculator fails to converge or returns errors, change the initial guess, simplify irregular cash flow patterns, or break the timeline into smaller segments. Doing so usually resolves multiple sign changes or numerical instability and yields a reliable IRR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.